Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your earbuds Philips. And to perform a hard reset, right here at the right headphone we have Control Hub. You need to press and hold at the same time volume up button and volume down button until your headphones is entered operating mode, and it means that it will blink blue and white. So I'm press and hold it. Here we go. Now we need to remove these earbuds from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after a hard reset, these earbuds enter to operating mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list. Just tap on it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!